100-mile meals, aiming the camera at everything fresh, tasty, and local. The Harker School is exemplary. The Silicon Valley private school, considered one of the best anywhere, providing an elite education to its 2,000 students from preschool age all the way through high school graduation. While the school's 125-year-long history of offering a well-rounded classroom, sports, and campus experience is revered, so too is Harker's school cafeteria.
If we do it in-house and we control what the kids are going to eat, plus the kids are honest, they're going to tell you if they don't like it, they're not going to eat it, you know. And this is the best part about, most rewarding part about this job is seeing the kids react and respond to really good food.
Typical, these cafeterias are not. 9 kitchens across the 4-campus network, and choices to challenge, educate, or just soothe any young palate.
I'm in my 28th year now, so it's been a journey, but it's been a good one. I had a vision that, you know, wow, we're going somewhere. I kept it to myself, but I knew we were on a fast track to make this, you know, a bigger school, and I was always hoping for the high school, and it came, and it's been fantastic.
Pizza is pizza, as Chef Martin says, and always available. But he says vegan and veggie, fresh and farm raised, all come together here with a new menu 5 days a week.
What we've done at Harker, food service-wise, is we take it slow. In lower school, we start to expose them to some different dishes. When we start with vegetables, it sounds, you know, like, wow, you know, your parents want you to eat your vegetables, but Harker does too. So we go through that, and then as we get into middle school, it's kind of a down size of what we do at high school. But once we get to this level of the food service, it becomes a thing where we expose them to a lot of different cultures, a lot of different foods. And now, you know, pizza's pizza, but, you know, the curry tofu is curry tofu, and we do tapas, the small little plates, so they can, you know, they can try everything.
As these kids grow, graduate, and go on, one of their fondest school memories may be lunch hour.
What I like about the Harker lunches is that, like, you can choose what you want, and there's a lot of diversity.
My favorite food is probably the vegetarian samosas, and I also really enjoy going to Mexico for the classic rice and beans. That's always a good option.
And the most important thing I think happened here is he allowed it to stay in-house, and he allowed me to build a program that we have today. He always said to me, you know, we can't do this overnight, but once we got rolling, and the support of the school and the administration, it's really rewarding. I'm as excited and fired up as 28 years ago today. I'm looking forward to the next few years.
Brought to you by Performance Food Service Ledyard and by Ace Bakery, Ajinomoto Windsor, Bagcraft Packaging, a Novalex brand, and Ventura Foods.